How many can write? Okay, how many can write down all the Hebrew alphabet? Is there any problem for writing Hebrew alphabet?
No, sir.
No,
So, sir,
no.
some word, I am getting little bit confused, sir. But after seeing, I can write.
Yes, that's why. Like a vowel sign, okay? I can teach you. I have bought today. The reason is it will just look you little bit opposite way, means like ulta. Okay, because reflection will come like this. So looking in mirror always looks ulta, no?
Please, it would be better, sir, if you write and show once.
Good only, sir.
Yeah, but it will look to you ulta. Okay, I will try. Okay, if I am making Aleph, this is Aleph. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I am also, sir.
Yes.
Can you see? No. Now all the sides here will be here. Okay, like pada will be like downside, one dash. It is called pada. Okay, this is a short sign of A, short vowel. Then we found it like this T. So it will become commas. Okay, then this will give star. Okay, after this commas. Okay, now after this, for E, this three dot called second. Okay, so this three dot it is show you that this is become A. Like this is A sound. If I will remove this one sound, then it will become the long sound of E. This is double dot is the long sound of E. Okay. Then if I will put single dot, okay, this double dot, one more, and here this thing. It is called stereo. So you will come here next to this small one, the smallest one. Okay. So this is called stereo and this is good. So this is also give a long sound like E, A, E. Okay. Then the next is this is called single dot with Hirak. Hirak means here sound A and I.
Sir, please increase the
A.
volume of your device, sir. It is not
Huh?
audible. Please increase the volume of your device.
Actually, it is full volume from my device.
Sir, can you use the whiteboard in this platform? It is maybe better.
Sir, the
Yes, sir.
sound
There
is
is
not clear.
whiteboard in Zoom also, no, sir. That can be also useful.
Because you're talking there,
How can
then point is not proper.
actually I don't have other wife this Bluetooth one, so I can use, but I don't have Bluetooth one, so here I am like this. This is audible.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
brother is saying that you can use the
Sir, the
whiteboard
sound
of
is not
this
bit clear.
whiteboard in this system only. There is a whiteboard option.
Where? Actually, that I need to learn first. Here is whiteboard is there.
Yeah, you can just drag your mouse and it will appear.
Actually, this whiteboard, not, I'm trying, but it is not coming actually.
So there you can see some new or edit option or something to draw option.
Okay.
Yes. Whiteboard is there, no, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing that one only, but uh, I'm not getting that one. Means it is open, but still it's not giving proper way of use.
There are objects and properties. You can use them to create tools.
No downside, there is an option for whiteboard. I click there, but still only loading your whiteboard. That option is showing me like this only. Now the
Maybe we try
whiteboard
that,
came.
sir.
This is Sir Benedict whiteboard, right?
I don't know.
If there's a problem, you can teach like yesterday how you taught. That is also okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So regarding like we are saying about vowel sign, okay? So hope you understand this vowel sign. Just try to understand here, okay, in this board. Just simple way I will teach you. This dot is giving an idea of I, okay? Means like you are saying like A and I. If I will put this dot plus goes here, then it is like a long vowel. Okay, without this, this is a short vowel. If I this is a long vowel. Long vowel in a sense, then the pronunciation will be little longer. Like example, for I, okay, in our I we are using like I, okay, in English. But for longer we are using double E. Okay, same way this is like this. For double E means longer pronunciation. But it's along with that, after this, there is a U sound, U. Okay, so this three dot is coming like this as a ladder way. Okay, so this is called keepers. Means it will be like becoming A and U. Okay, A and U. So this is become like A and U. So this is called like keepers. Okay, under this. So this is also a short way of U. Now, if I am using this, removing this, and if I am putting here this dot, okay, so this is called Surek. So this is become the longer one, longer sign. So this is like A and U, but longer way. Okay. Now, if I am removing this, and if I am using again this, so this actually not A, this is actually O. Okay, so this is a short sign of O. So this is O. But when we want to make a long sign, that time we not like this. We'll use one dot upper side. Okay. So if it is dot is upper side, it is a longer sign of for O. So it is called holum. Okay. This is called
The
holum.
students are
Now
in
there is
waiting
two kind
room.
of holum. Yes.
Students are in waiting room. Please let them in.
This is the call one way of column. There is another. Okay, so this is called holum wow. So if it is holum wow, it is like they can also use as a longer one. So there are two pattern of long. One is holum wow. Both are called as a long one. So that's why we should understand that how it is working for as a holum. Okay, so this is how you are looking. It is like this. So yesterday we talked about certain pattern about how we can read, how we can see all those things. So like example, let me share you this one. Okay, so this is you see here, this one. This is holum, both are holum. Upper dot also is holum, this also holum. So this sign actually we will use to make a different sound, different pronunciation. So these vowels are very important for alphabet. Without this, alphabet is not giving a proper sound. So that's why for giving proper sound, we need this one. Okay. So yesterday we were looking about vowel sign, then explanation of writing, how we are writing. Okay. So we seen, okay, like example, here we are seeing under the bed, there is a downside of commas, it is called ba. This is okay. Now here under the bed downside double dot, it is called sere. Okay, so it is like a bed. Now if there is a next to bed, there is a this kind of symbol is coming. Okay, so that symbol called surik, and then surik it will pronounce like this. Who means this is a bed. The bed meaning in English it is a B, and this is a surek. This sign meaning is you. So it is becoming like who. Same here. This if a dot is about this sign, it is called O. So pronunciation will go like bo, like this. Okay. So it is very easy if you remember this alphabet and this sign. So very easy to remember all these things. Okay. Now we will not go here. Open and close syllabus. I hope you remember yesterday what I taught you. Okay. Then method. Downside one line is there here. Okay. So this line actually called method. Under this you see one small dash, small line. So that is called method. Then Milra and Millel. So this indication will come upside. That arrow is there, no small. That is called either Milra or Millel. According to which alphabet is carrying. According to that, it will be come like this. Then yesterday we seen the important part of Seva. Seva is like a double dot. Okay. Double dot means like a downside of the word. Here you see this one. Downside of the double. Here also, this all are part of Seva. Here is Seva, here is Seva. So downside there is a double dot up and down. That is called Seva. And Seva is to fill in the blanks whenever the empty letter is coming. So to fill that gap, the Seva will come. Okay. And there are certain rules. Sometimes Seva is silent and sometimes Seva is vocal. So when Seva is vocal, it sound like E. Okay. So always like we should pronounce like, okay, here, this is the word. Okay. So the first alphabet, it is S. Second alphabet, it is M. And then last sign is O. Okay. So under this first alphabet, there is a two dot is there. Actually, that dot should not be have any sound. But when it is coming first, it is giving E sound. So it become like SEMO, means like here in English it is C. Samo. So that kind of sound we may get it. Okay. So this sound we are seeing here, this sound we are looking here. So Samo. So this is like first time the Seva is giving sound. Okay. So it is the simple Seva. Here you see. Simple Seva is vocal when it begins a syllable at the beginning or middle of a word, and silent when it closes the syllable in the middle of the word. So whenever Seva is coming under the first alphabet, always giving a E sound. But whenever Seva is coming either in between or last, then it is silent. Okay. Another rule is if the Seva is coming after long vowel, then it is a vocal. Otherwise, it is a silent. After short vowel, it is a silent. I hope you remember this. Vowel means this. These are all the vowels. Okay. So here, this is the short vowel and this is the long vowel. So this all count under the long vowel. This all count under the short vowel. So whenever Seva is coming after this long vowel, okay, then it will give sound E. But whenever the Seva is coming after this short vowel, all these 5 short vowel, then Seva is silent. Seva will not give any sound. Okay. Then again, so when two Seva is coming together, so first Seva will be silent and second Seva will be vocal. So when it is vocal, giving E sound. So that you should remember. Then again, the Seva is later under the double by dot. Okay. So whenever the Seva is coming, when there is a dot, is there any alphabet is carrying dot and under that is Seva is coming, then it will be vocal because there is a double alphabet. So because of that,
Sir, network problem is there. He will join soon. We lost him. He is out of the room.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I hope you remember all the sevas. Okay. So this seva, it is for use of may fill in the gaps. Then again, after this, we are going to see makeb. Okay. This makeb also actually important for making a statement. Okay. Like example, when two or more short words are closely associated in meaning, they are often joined together by the hyphen link line called makeb. Now here you see, okay. Here there are two times that hyphen line is coming, upper dash is coming, okay. So this upper dash, no, this one, this upper dash called makeb. So this is a joining line. So this joining line actually it is coming. So this is the meaning of this joining lines means like of. Like example, let me say sons of God, okay, or sons of Israel. Whenever we are using this term, son of God or son of Israel, so that time the son and Israel for connecting in between of that of this line will carry. Okay, there is no specific alphabet or word in Hebrew to indicate of. Okay, so for that of this line is there. So whenever this line is coming, that time you need to understand this is the indication about to use of pop. Okay, so that's why it is like it is giving like this. So we need to show it that this is the line it is coming, and then we are using about of in place of that. Okay, so like example in definition, makeb is a short horizontal line connecting words together. Its effect is to deprive those words preceding it of their ascent. Okay, so for that we are using like this. For like example, these two words are there, but if you want to join like my voice, okay, so if you want to connect these things, then we will connect like this, and when we are connecting these things, that time we are using these lines and we are putting off also. Okay, so this is the sign of, remember, this is considered for using a off makeb. Okay, remember the name. This makeb is a this dash, this line, meaning off in English. Then the next is kamas hatu. I hope you remember kamas hatu. Kamas hatu here. In seva, vowel in vowel, this last one is kamas hatu. Okay. So this is a small short vowel. Okay. Now here you see this one and this one. Both are having same indication, same sign. Okay. Even their name started with this is called kamas. This is called kamas hatu. So this is two different way. So this kamas and this kamas is looking same. So how we need to differentiate it? So here is the differentiation. Okay. So this kamas actually it shows for O. So since the vowel sign here, since the vowel sign, this one small comma Satuk is used to represent both commas A and also commas Satuk O. We have to determine when it is a long A and when it is a short O. The rules enunciated